nioretie thirikari nene gukorwo ikiheana urugamiriri wa cukuru cia Muthingi orodumwe na cia cekondari kuri thirikari cia kaunti. Aikirie ritana riri hindi ya igongona ria urugamiriri wa githomo akihe ciana 100 uteithio wa gukorwo magithie na mbere na mathomo ma mugutakiri kindu kuriha. Ningĩ ni augite ati thirikari ici cia kaunti na makeria atongoria acio nio makoragwo makitaukwo na njira njega mathina maria arutwo makoretwo makigerera guku matũra-ini.
I am proud to know that you are doing this despite the constitutional requirements limiting counties' involvement in the sector of early childhood education and vocational education. We believe that investing in education, especially higher education, is the way to go. And I know we've been having a conversation. We just concluded an evaluation conference, and one of the things that we have asked is a consideration to devolve primary education and also secondary education, because since in the world of our ground we feel the heat and the pinch of those vulnerable families on the ground. As you know, today we are also tremendously constrained by the late disbursement of funds from the national government. From our evaluation as council of governors, many county functions are undervalued. We have had a conversation with the Commission on Revenue Allocation so that in the next financing cycle, they have to do proper costing of the functions that have been involved, so that when we get money, we are able to allocate properly to the basic services that should be offered to wananchi.
Tumetigane na icio na ni ati gikundi kia Kenya